Hey everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I would like to share with you the Glossybox. I have the Mother's Day one, and then I have the regular May version. So let's start off with the May one. So you open it, and this is super cute. I love the way that they customize a little box inside of that box. And I will definitely reuse these for my drawers. It was a great idea. Thank you very much. And this says, eat, sleep, travel, repeat. I love that. And they're like really nice, thick cardboard boxes. They're beautiful. And then you have inside, so fancy. Open that up. A bunch of like, just basically advertisements, and then we have this, and when you open this, this should show everything that is in the box, and then it'll tell you if it is full size or not, and then it also tells you the value of what is in the box. Ooh, look at that. It's like a world tissue paper. Super cool. So we're going to open this up, and I'm getting text messages. Okay, well, here we go. So this is, again, the original May box. We're going to start off with the Arizona perfume. Interesting. And let's see here. Full size is $100. Holy crap, I know this is not. This is 0.17 fluid ounces. A full size is 1.7. So this is like a sample size, it looks like. Not even a miniature size. So, alrighty then. We're going to smell it. Ooh, smells really good. It is definitely a mini size, but you know, perfume lasts a while. Smells really good. It's sweet, but it's not overly sweet. I like it. Then we have Tarte's Brow Gel from Tarte. Okay. Let's see where that is. Tarte Cosmetics Tarte's Brow Gel, 0.16 fluid ounces, which this is, retails for $19. And I have been really playing around with my eyebrows a lot lately, which I'm going to do an ombre brow with Kat Von D products. Super excited. It's going to be such a fun film. Very excited to do that. So here is, I'm going to so use this. I love the end. Super, oh my god, perfect. That is perfect. It is a clear brow gel. And this is a full size. So I am going to put this away right now because I will be using that. Then we have the John Masters Primrose Shampoo for dry hair. And that retails for $16. If you get an 8 fluid ounce bottle, which I know this is not. This is like 2 fluid ounces. Ooh, this is a strong kind of a almost a peppermint smell, I think. And then the matching conditioner as well in a small version. These are like on the go, you know, if you're going out of town, I guess. And this is 22 ounces for a full size, and this is not a full size. Let's see if the smells the same. Yeah, it's like a kind of a peppermint and woodsy. 2 fluid ounces. Lavender and avocado. Okay, well, these are gonna go in the bathroom and get used up. Then we have a deep cleansing oil by DHC. And that is, retails full size 6.7 ounces. And this is only, it's small. It's 1 fluid ounce. Full size would be 28. This is like another sample. I don't know what's going on here, but so it's a deep cleansing oil with Japanese beauty cult favorite facial cleanser which stars olive oil, promises to melt away makeup, including waterproof mascara. Oh, okay. And impurities while delivering protective antioxidants straight where you need it. Okay, well this will be good because I use a lot of like waterproof mascara, and then eyeliner, the Inglot eyeliner I use practically every day is really hard to get off. So that is going to work out really good. I have never heard of this brand, Lauder. If I said it wrong, I'm so sorry. It is shade 6 and Aloha. Ooh. A full size 0.3 ounces, $24. This is 0.31 ounces and it is 9 grams. New on Glossies, this buildable cream formula gives you the perfect sun-kissed glow regardless of how bright it is. Simply swipe where you want some radiance, blend with fingers, and you'll be silky smooth bronze goddess in no time. Here's the tube. It sounds fun. Ooh. So here it is. Simply swipe where you want radiance, blend with fingers. So it's a bronze. Ooh, very creamy. I like that. I will definitely try that out. So, needless to say, I'm a little underwhelmed by this box. The only things, well, I mean, these were, most of it looks like a sample size to me, except for this. Well, that's even a sample. The Tarte is the only, like, full-size product I feel I got out of this box. Yeah, it's a bit disappointing. I think I have another one on the way. Dear Lord. Anyway, so I will be keeping the Tarte Brow Gel for sure. And then I will definitely be using the bronzer. The mini perfume is kind of up in the air. I might put it in a giveaway. It is like totally a sample. And these will just go in my bathroom. Let's hope the Mother's Day box is a lot better than this. Yeah, so this is the first month I can say I am disappointed with Glossybox. But let's open up the Mother's Day version. They like super tape it. Ooh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Does it raise a little bit? Maybe a little bit. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh, look at that box. You know what that reminds me of? It's Cali with the drip. Oh. By the way, I ordered the Cali bundle on Mother's Day. Like, it sold out within minutes. Just like Jeffree Star's palette. Oh my gosh. There's the little package. Pray for better items in here. Oh, I know. Here is the pamphlet. And let's see what we have in here. It has pink tissue paper. Super, super fancy. Oh my goodness, it looks great already, you guys. Cross my fingers. To start off with, we have 4 Skin Infusion Recover and Renew single-use facial masks. And this is Infusion Recover, Renew Single Facial Mask. 4 masks retails for $40, so they're like 10 each. If you're feeling a little under the weather, it's time for some TLC in the form of this restorative facial mask, soaked in nutrients like lavender. Oh God, lavender. Dried apples, a single-use treatment also features lactic acid for mild exfoliation and a stabilized form of vitamin C. Well, I would definitely give that a try. These look super fancy, and hopefully the scent won't be too strong because I am very allergic to lavender. Wow, this is what I want to see. This is Lancome, and it is Re-Energy. I'm sorry, I'm trying to pronounce it. Multi-Glow, full size, which is 1.7 fluid ounces, and this is 50 ml. I believe it is the full size. It definitely feels like it. And it retails for $79 because everything is better in pink. This rosy hued facial moisturizer with a unique red berry extract, visibly plump skin, promising 24 hours worth of a glowing, radiant complexion, even for those with sensitive skin. This melt-in moisturizer also helps improve overall texture and time. This is amazing. I love Lancome. They have really good products. This box, by the way, was $40. Ooh, smells so good. I am so going to use this. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. So this is a definite, really good looking cream. Then we move to Invisibobble, the Elegant Hair Ring. And that says Invisibobble Slim, the Elegant Hair Ring in Vanity Fair. It is full size $8, which would be 3 hair rings. Oh, there's 3 in there. Say goodbye to painful hair ties, which definitely with my hair. The spiral shaped holder provides strong, traceless hold with no kinks or broken ends. A perfect tool for a stylish hairdo, a chic evening look, or even a gym appropriate sporty bracelet. Oh, available exclusively at Sephora. That is super cool. I have seen these at Sephora, like in the checkout line when you're going to check out, and I've picked them up, but I've never bought them. Ooh, I have seen Mr. Wolf. This is super beautiful. Flower Balm Soap, full size, $28, and this is 4.5 ounces. It is full size. This luxurious bath soap, which captures the cult favorite scent from the in-demand fashion house, is a veritable explosion of flowers comprised of, I don't know, can't read that. The Flower Balm fragrance is warm, spicy, sultry, sweet, and everything in between. You will also enjoy a delectable, pint-sized but powerful fragrance vial, perfect for those moms who haven't experienced the beautiful scent of this juice yet. I don't know who in their right mind would buy this for $28. If it's just a actual bar of soap, geez. I mean, it looks absolutely gorgeous. Look at the raised right there, little seal. Super, super cute. Ooh, it is just a bar of soap. Oh my gosh. Smells good, but I don't do well with jasmine either, so I might have to, I don't know, do something with that. And it came with a sample of the perfume, which I'm not going to even open. And then, whoa, we got perfume. Nail Couture. And this is, $18, looking perfectly polished, is something every mom can't get behind. It is a petal pink nail lacquer. Absolutely beautiful. I've been using a lot of the Kathleen Lights nail polish, and the ends on hers are really, really unique. I will totally use this. I usually do my own nails, so that is phenomenal. And then we have a lip brulee, the Beauty Crop. Look at that. Oh, wow. Full size is $12.95. It is a long-lasting staying power of staying hydration. Ooh, that is really pretty. Let's see if it smells. Kind of. A little bit. Very, very pretty. I will definitely put that in with my lipsticks. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous color. And then, last but not least, we have a Hydrating Beauty Water. Okay, and this retails for $23, and it is 5.7 fluid ounces. It is full size, or no, it's not. 8.4 ounces is full size. It looks full size. And it is Roses of Beauty, and the softening toner is packed with them, featuring the extract from 100% USDA certified, hand-picked organic Damask Roses. Ooh, I love this. So everything in this box I am super, super happy with. The only thing I may not use is this soap. The scent of jasmine and lavender are really bad. I can't handle them. I may be giving this away. I'm gonna set it aside, but this is so worth the $40, and it was a one-time box. They may have it in another month, but here is the pamphlet. I am so happy with this box. The other box I am not happy with, and I might be getting rid of some of it. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this Glossybox unboxing, and I will see you soon. Make sure you are subscribed and hit the notification bell and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. I will see you guys again very soon. I hope you have a great day.